around 9 o'clock 4 minutes. So pre-market is open. So I'll be updating what kind of strike prices I'm going to select in Bank Nifty. So I'll be back once market is open. So friends, we will be selecting 34 800 CE and 35 300 P strike prices for today trade. Friends, this is a free channel, Telegram channel, NS Smart Option Trade. So where we will be giving free tips here and updating every day, like what kind of strike prices we can select and what is the levels we need to trade, like buy, stop loss and target. Everything it will be updated. 1:3. So 50 points will be the stop loss, and first target will be 50 points. 1:1, and second target will be 100 points. Third target will be 150 points. So the link will be given in description. So interested, please join and just check the performance of fast performance of this Telegram channel, how we made profit. Friends, I have given the levels 35 300 PE buy above 600, SL 550, target 650, first target 650, second target 700, and third target 800 plus, but 750 we will be taking out. And 34 800 CE buy above 600, stop loss 550, and target 650, 700, and 800. As of now, this is what levels are updated. So let's see what is the performance. Friends, CE triggered, CE triggered at 600, and 657 made. First target is done. First target 650 done and dusted. High made 657. So we have given it levels at 918 itself, but 925 CE trade triggered, and within a minute 650 50 points done and dusted. Now currently trading at 560. So this is the entry. This is the first target, second target, target 3. Let's target 1. Let's see what is going to happen. Now currently at 624, 628, 630, 638, 640. 644 now running 647. So now running at 657. So first target is done. 670 towards second target. So I given a message to my members. Please book 50% profit at first target. So remaining 50% trailing stop loss cost to cost. One of the member made around 3,387 rupees with the first target. Very nice. High made 673. So almost 70 points. As of now, 70 points. Now running at 653, 657, 658. It's looking good. Bank Nifty is opened, gap down and recovered from lows. It is going higher and higher. Friends, I'm pausing this video in between because of the time duration. So we are at right decision actually whatever we took, and we are at right direction also. Yes, this is the free channel where I'm giving free calls. So link is given in the description. Please subscribe if you want to get free calls and make money like this. 3,000, 4,000, 5,000, 10,000. And this is an expiry day which one of the person made at 24,895. So like this there are many profits. There is one more person 9,000 rupees. So continuously every day they are doing profits. One more person 10,761. So continuously daily it is there actually. If you see, this is the August 18th, this is August 17th, and this is August 16th. There is a sideways, so there's no trades. This is August 13th, again made good money. Every day is there actually. August 12th, so successfully. August 11th, so August 11th, see the 14,440 rupees. So all the days, almost all the days, first target, second target, it is hitting. So let's see what is going to happen today. So first target hit, then took some reversal, and again going up. So this is the one, another member made a profit of 4,280 rupees. So finally we made it around 70 points. Okay. This trade is going to be closed. So there is no further trade CE side. So this call is done and dusted. Thank you. And if you want to join my Telegram channel, please just see the link is in description place. Okay, click and join. We'll see you tomorrow.